not good kasi hindi naman pala humba.
Humba nga eh.
Humba!
nakalagay. Humba!
Hindi pala humba. Let me talk to him.
There's right and there's wrong. And I'm encouraging everyone. Take a stand.
Shouting like that.
No, not intimidating.
I can make a stance without shouting.
Well, okay, take a
Don't
stand
intimidate
then.
me.
Ako kasi yung tinira.
Tama na! Tama na!
I care if you intimidate
Hey!
by me.
Exactly.
Hey, attorney!
I'm
Alvin,
just
tama
telling
na!
you.
It's his birthday, so please stop.
But I was the one blasphemed. Don't tell me to stop.
Please.
I was the... Sabi, you have to condemn what is wrong. Yun ang sinasabi ko, no. There are things that are right, there are things that are wrong. Take a stand.
A few moments later.
Mga bobo! Mga bobo! Ang bobo! Maliwanag. Ikaw, bobo! Putang ina mo ka! Ha?